and I'm sick of waiting. I want Pikachu, and this time don't screw it up. Prepare for trouble, make it double. Prepare for trouble, make it double. We'll be the richest rogues of all time.
Team Rocket has now become Team Bancho. These are my main antagonists for my series. They have the same personality as Team Rocket. Only I prefer to call them they are known as Team Bancho. We're gonna start by drawing BANCHOSTINGMON.
Capture Pikachu. Make it double. Prepare for trouble. Make it double. Make it double. We're Team Rocket and we fight for what's wrong. For mayhem and madness and rare Pokemon. I'm so gorgeous. I'm always the man. You're just the players in my master plan. Team Rocket's Rocket, talking trouble, walking trouble, double trouble, big trouble's gonna follow you. Team Rocket's Rocket, talking trouble, walking trouble, double trouble, big trouble's gonna follow you. We're gonna capture Pikachu. We're always gonna try it. No one can deny it. We can cause a riot in Sunday's moonlight. We'll have you believing truth can be deceiving. Do unto others is our golden rule. This is our most ingenious plan ever, if I do say so myself. Even we couldn't screw this one up, Jesse. Would you two stop yapping? Here they come! Prepare for trouble! Team Rocket's Rocket, talking trouble, walking trouble, double trouble, big trouble's gonna follow you. Team Rocket's Rocket, talking trouble, walking trouble, double trouble.
Here's his stinger. We're gonna start by drawing BANCHOSTINGMON. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
This is the boss, and I'm sick of waiting. I want Pikachu, and this time don't screw it up. Prepare for trouble, make it double. Prepare for trouble, make it double. We'll be the richest rogues of all time.
Creators of a grand design.
I'll be the king.
I'll be the queen. I'll be the joker of crime.
Prepare for trouble, make it double.
Prepare for trouble.
Make it double. Make it double.
To protect the world from devastation.
To unite all people within our nation.
To denounce the evils of truth and love.
To extend our reach to the stars above.
Jesse!
Change.
Team Rocket, blast off at the speed of light.
Surrender now or remain Gonna capture Pikachu.
Prepare for trouble.
Make it
I don't know about this, but something about this seems like a Team Rocket vibe.
Team Rocket and we fight for what's wrong.
I thought of the idea for changing the name from Team Rocket to Team Bancho, considering the fact that
I'm always
that's their new name.
You're just the players in my master plan.
Just a quick reminder. Alexa, what is Bancho?
The interjection bonjour is usually defined as good day, good morning, hello.
Alexa, increase volume. Alexa, what is the definition for Bancho?
The name poncho means tuft, plume.
We're always gonna try it. No one can deny it. We can cause a riot in Sunday. Alright. We'll have you believe it. Truth can be deceiving. Do unto others is our golden rule.
This is our most ingenious plan ever, if I do say so myself.
Their partners are Dust Talks and Weedle.
Jesse.
Would you two stop yapping? Here they come!
Prepare for trouble. Team Rocket's rocket. Talking trouble, talking trouble. Trouble's gonna follow. Team Rocket's rocket. Talking trouble, talking trouble.
Here's the drill for Bancho Stingmon's Zapper.
Team Rocket's rocket. Team Rocket's rocket.
Walking trouble.
Big trouble. It's my Team Rocket's bursting up again.
This is the boss, and I'm sick of waiting. I want Pikachu, and this time don't screw it up.
Screw. I feel like the word screw it up is a curse word.
We'll be the richest rogues of all time.
Creators of a grand design.
I'll be the king.
I'll be the queen.
I'll be the Joker of crime.
And finished. Oh, one more thing. We still gotta install the drill
Double.
To protect the world from devastation.
for his other finger.
Within our nation.
There he is, everyone. Bancho Stingmon.
Extend our reach to the stars above.
Jesse.
Stegosaurus, see you later, guys.
Change